Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the new Arcana network token, ticker symbol XAR. Now this token just got a bunch of brand new central exchange listings announced. This is a very popular project right now. We're going to go over the information on the XAR token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. And let's get into this project here. So Arcana.network is their official webpage. On there you can find products, ecosystem, blog, docs, document section, token information, and get started guide. So Web3 made effortless. UX focused app chain with SDKs and APIs to simplify your dApp user experience and boost user acquisition. So they have over 100 partners onboarded, over 21,000 SDK downloads, and over 2,000 apps created so far. You could schedule a demo. There's a help box if you need to chat with a robot. And so we'll go through the products here in a second. But the token here just got a bunch of brand new central exchange listings. So if you go over to their Twitter, they most likely retweeted most of the new listings here. So their Twitter is @Arcana Network. I'm going to put that on the screen there. Very well established project. 78,300 Twitter followers. Full link tree there, blue verified checkmark, 3,198 tweets so far. It says building a suite of products and services powered by specialized Validium to boost UX in gaming, real-world assets, DeFi, NFTs, and more. And then right under that on their Twitter, it says XAR is available on Bybit and Gate. So it just went live on Bybit and Gate. So you can download Gate or Bybit from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section on Bybit or Gate, and then search XAR, and then simply just buy the token. Now, I'm not sure if it is available on any DEXs. I just took their contract address and I am putting it into, there we go. So I found it on DEX Tools. Click on that here. And it says here, unknown exchange. So unfortunately, if Gate and Bybit are not available in your area, it doesn't look like it's available on any DEXs at the moment from me putting in the contract address into you might be able to get it off their webpage though. So don't let me speak too soon here. We'll check out the token information in a second here. So it says our products, it says they have Auth, which is wallet integration and authentication. So Web3 authentication for all users, onboard users with email or social login. Gasless is another product. So frictionless Web3 transactions, remove the friction of gas fees, sponsor gas fees, and frictionless transaction. And then they have something called Send crypto over email. Send crypto to any user just with their email ID. And then they have more coming soon. We have more products being developed that we will be launching shortly. Stay tuned. So for those products, that's just the short form of what they are. But if you want to learn more about it, just click on their docs heading, and it'll take you over to more info. It says our ecosystem, Web3 authentication for all users, onboard users with email or social login. Arcana's decentralized network generates non-custodial wallets and secures the keys, supports all EVM chains. So then they have a bunch of investors, a bunch of partners, backers, all that type of stuff. It says use our products for free. Sign up now and get access to a full set of features and priority support. They have different testimonials from Script Network, FabWelt Studios, ArtFi World, etc. At the bottom of their webpage, they have home section, auth, gas list, token information, ecosystem, blog, docs, technical paper, privacy policy, terms of use, email, Discord, GitHub, schedule a demo, brand files, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube channel, and then they have a full CertiK audit. So CertiK is the leading crypto auditor, so it's great to see that they have that audit there. So the ZAR token, it says only interact with the airdrops listed here to avoid being scammed. So ZAR is an ERC20 utility token built on the Ethereum blockchain, but it doesn't look like it's available on Uniswap. I punched in the contract address, copy-pasted it into a couple different listing sites. No Uniswap pool popped up yet, but maybe in the future there will be on there. So it will be used to power the Arcana delegated proof-of-stake app chain. Validator nodes on the Arcana app chain will have the ZAR staked as their nodes in exchange for staking rewards. The staking of ZAR brings economic security to the Arcana app chain. So what is the utility in the near term? Ensuring the economic security of the Arcana POS app chain. Token holders will be able to stake Arcana tokens and boost the economic security of the chain in return for staking rewards. Staking rewards are yet to be finalized, but will perhaps be some combination of inflation and tokens brought back from the open market from the revenue of that the platform generates. In the long term, platform governance where holders can participate in making key decisions on the journey of Arcana moving from being a platform to becoming a protocol and a public good. And Arcana is planning its token generation event, Q2 2024, public sale. I mean, it's already out, so we don't need to talk about that. But anyways, you can find all this information on their page here. They talk about the max supply with inflation, what inflation is, genesis supply, token type, initial circulating supply, allocation split up between ecosystem, public sale, IDO, private seed, pre-seed, advisors, team, reserves, etc. And they have a release schedule. And yeah, so that's basically it. So right now, Bybit and Gates, and then maybe some more exchange listings coming in the future. So I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.